Alright, so here's my little process of wiring up the ambient lighting. I've already got the cup holders, all that. I'm now in the process of just connecting it, making sure everything's working like they should. I already wired into the body control module. Now I'm just plugging everything in. Right now I just only got the main wire to it. I don't have the CAN bus wires to it yet for it to actually display. But as you see, this little cubby hole light, it works. And that's the power right here. And I just got extra wires lying around, so I just used that. And surprisingly, it actually fit into that connector. I had one that worked perfect for it. I just lost the connection of it. But if I reconnect it, you can actually see that it works. There's that little light there. Now, for some reason, when I close the lid, it does not turn it off. So I'll have to go back behind here again, see if the switch is moved, where it's not turning it on or off on there. So that's just a little progress right now for the center console storage bin light. I'll make another video showing that the actual ambient lighting lights up onto there. Thanks for watching.